Hi, Alex. You are looking worried. What is the reason?
Hi.
Yeah.
I am a little worried about my assignment. I need some books.
So where is the problem?
Actually, I don't have enough money to buy all the books.
Oh, that's the matter. But have you visited our school library?
Not yet.
You must visit. I am sure that you'll find all the relevant books there.
Oh yes. How did I forget? Our school library? My problem is solved now.
Okay. Let's go to our school library.
Okay.
The library is very important for students and people who love reading.
Of course. The library has so many books and a peaceful environment.
And you don't need to buy each book from the market.
Yes! Thanks for your giving suggestion me.
Oh, that's my pleasure.
Okay. Bye now.
See you later.